Nothing is more frustrating than wanting to enjoy a cold drink but realizing that you've forgotten to refill the ice trays again. A portable ice maker solves this problem, ensuring you always have fresh ice ready without any hassle. We've done the research and found the best portable ice makers for you. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So, let's start. The first on our list is the Dreamus X1. The Dreamus X1 is an impressive portable ice maker tailored for anyone who needs a steady supply of ice. Capable of producing 33 pounds of ice daily and storing up to 3.3 pounds at one time, this machine is essential for large gatherings or personal use throughout the day. I appreciate its ability to make two sizes of bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are perfect for a variety of drinks and do not easily melt or stick together. What truly sets the Dreamus X1 apart is its efficiency. It only takes 7 to 10 minutes to produce 9 ice cubes. This means you can have ice ready almost instantly, whether for a quick glass of chilled lemonade or preparing for guests on short notice. The inclusion of an automatic cleaning function simplifies the upkeep tremendously. With just a simple selection from the control panel, the machine cleans itself and the drain plug can be easily accessed to empty the water. Moreover, its advanced infrared induction technology ensures the machine stops making ice when it's full or needs a refill, avoiding any operational hiccups. This feature not only helps in maintaining the longevity of the unit, but also aids in efficient energy usage. In conclusion, the Dreamus X1 is highly recommended for its quick ice production, ease of use, and self-cleaning capabilities. It's a reliable companion for anyone looking to enhance their beverage experience at home or in a small business setting. The second on our list is the Sunbeam Slim 01B. This ice maker stands out as a fast and efficient option, perfect for those who hate to wait. Capable of producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, this machine ensures that you can quickly have ice ready for any occasion. With a 2-liter water tank, it can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, making it a dependable choice for day-to-day use. Moreover, it offers flexibility with 2 sizes of ice cubes to choose from. The smaller size is ideal for chilling seafood and drinks, keeping it fresh and cold, while the larger cubes are great for more rapid cooling of beverages. This makes it not only useful for personal use but also for gatherings where various types of chilled drinks are in demand. The design of this ice maker emphasizes user-friendliness and convenience. It operates quietly, at less than 35 decibel, which is about the noise level of a running refrigerator, ensuring it doesn't disrupt the ambience of your home or office. The transparent lid is a thoughtful feature, allowing you to check the ice level at a glance. Additionally, the smart sensor halts ice production when the bin is full or if more water is needed, indicated by the turning on of a light. Ease of use is further enhanced by the straightforward control panel. Simply fill the water reservoir, press the on button, and select your desired ice size. For maintenance, the self-cleaning function activates with a long press of the on-off button, circulating the water for hassle-free cleaning. In conclusion, this is a top recommendation for anyone in need of a compact portable ice maker that doesn't skimp on production capacity or ease of use. The third on our list is the Countertop ice maker. This countertop ice maker excels in delivering quick and efficient ice production, ideal for those who need ice fast. Equipped with a robust compressor, this machine can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and continues to impress with a total output of 26.5 pounds of ice per day. This performance ensures you'll have enough ice for day-long activities or unexpected guests. Ease of use is a significant feature of this ice maker. Its straightforward design means you can start making ice with just a few simple steps. Fill the 1.2-liter water tank, press the on button, and let the machine do the rest. An indicator light conveniently alerts you when water needs to be refilled, which helps in maintaining continuous ice production without manual checks. What makes this ice maker particularly appealing is its low-noise operation. At less than 42 decibels, it's quieter than many household appliances, ensuring that your conversations or daily activities aren't interrupted. Additionally, The self-cleaning function, which activates with a long press of the on button, makes maintenance effortless. Regular cleaning, recommended monthly, is a breeze and keeps the machine in optimal condition. Portability is another advantage. The compact design, complete with a handle, makes it easy to move from one place to another, whether it's to different parts of your home or for outdoor events. Its lightweight nature, at just 14.8 pounds, enhances its portability. In conclusion, this countertop ice maker is a stellar choice for anyone looking for a portable, efficient, and user-friendly ice maker. The fourth on our list is the Govy Life Smart Ice Maker. This smart ice maker redefines convenience with its innovative app-controlled operation. You can start the ice-making process from anywhere using a compatible home app, which is a boon for those who love coming home to ready-to-use chewy ice. Its compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT further integrates it into your smart home setup, making it a seamless addition to your daily routine. Efficiency is at the heart of this ice maker. It produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, all while consuming less than 0.1 kilowatt-hour on average. This makes it not only fast but also economical, ideal for regular use in a busy household. Health and maintenance are also made easy with a 10-minute self-cleaning cycle that ensures every corner of the ice maker is reached and cleaned, promoting a hygienic operation. It's advisable to keep the interior dry when not in use to extend the appliance's life. What sets this ice maker apart is its ability to produce 3 sizes of chewable, bullet-shaped ice cubes. These cubes melt slowly and are less prone to sticking, which is perfect for all kinds of beverages. Additionally, you can experiment by making flavored ice cubes using pulp-free beverages, adding a fun twist to your drinks. In conclusion, this smart ice maker is a smart and efficient choice for anyone looking to enhance their ice-making experience. The fifth on our list is the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker. This Nugget ice maker is a powerhouse in ice production, efficiently designed to meet all your ice needs without repeated trips to the store. With a 1.1-liter water tank, this machine impresses by churning out 35 pounds of ice within 24 hours, delivering the first batch in just 7 minutes. This ensures you have a continuous supply of ice for any occasion. Maintenance is a breeze with this ice maker. A simple 5-second press of the on-off button activates its self-cleaning feature, which thoroughly cleans the machine in just 15 minutes, readying it for its next use. This effortless care keeps the machine in prime condition, providing you with fresh ice every time. What distinguishes this ice maker is the type of ice it produces. The chewable nugget ice, known for its delightful crunch, is created from compacted ice flakes that offer a slow melt and enhance the texture of your beverages. Whether you're making slushies, cocktails, or sodas, this ice preserves the original flavors of your drinks better than traditional ice cubes. Additionally, this ice maker excels in user-friendliness. It operates quietly at just 43 decibels, ensuring it doesn't disturb the peaceful ambiance of your home or office. The intuitive LED indicators provide at-a-glance information about water levels, ice production, and cleaning status, which simplifies the ice-making process. In conclusion, this Nugget ice maker stands out not only for its rapid and efficient ice production, but also for its user-friendly features and the unique quality of ice it produces. And that ends our list of the best portable ice makers. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.